We are going to talk about percentages, and we need to understand one little detail about percentages. Percentage means divided by 100. So, percent is closely related to number 100. Every time you see our bird cells in our birdhouse, we need to understand that every bird cell means percent. Is it just 1%? Is it just 2%? More or less? We don't know. But we know that the total needs to be 100. That's why we are counting 10 times by what number till we get to 100. Every time we ask ourselves a question. Now I'm counting by what number 10 times till I reach 100. And in that case, it's quite obvious. We are counting by tens 10 times till we reach 100, which means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Each cell is 10%. Each cell is 10%. 6 cells, 60%. 7 cells would be 70%. And the question here is what percent of the cells have birds in them? What percent of the cells have birds in them? We see only one cell being occupied by a bird, which means one cell, 10%. 10% of the cells have birds in them. 10%. All right. Are we having 10 cells now? 4 and 4 and 2 would be 10. We already know that we are counting 10 times by 10 in order to reach our number that is 100. Percent is a friend with 100. Every cell gets us closer 10 steps to 100. We need to read the questions really carefully because they might be tricky questions. We need to calculate the percent of the cells that have birds in them. We're counting now by tens. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're counting 9 times by 10, and 90% is the answer. All right. We don't have 10 cells anymore. We have 5 cells. Let's imagine that we have a circle here. And we split the circle into 5 equal parts. Pizza being divided into 5 equal parts. And the total is 100. So we need to divide 100 by 5. If we divide 500 by 5, each pizza slice or each cell would be, right, 20%. Right now we are counting by number 20 5 times. Let's do it if we reach 100 or not. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Yes. And what percent of the cells are empty? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cells are empty, and every cell is 20%. 20, 40, 60, 80. Right. 80% of the cells are empty. Oh, Now we have to divide our whole pizza into one, two, three, four slices. We divide pizza into four parts. We will need to split 100 into four. And the easiest way to do is to split pizza first into halves, 50% and 50%, and then 50% into half again, 25 and 25. Each cell is 25%. Each cell is 25%. We're counting by 25 four times. 25, 50, 75, 100. What percent of the cells are empty? Empty. One, two, three. Three cells are empty, and each cell is 25%. We are counting by 25s together. 25, 50, 75. 3 times 25 is 75%. 75% of the cells are empty. What percent of the cells have birds in them? Each cell is 10%. We have only one cell being occupied, which means 10%. We have 10 cells, and we need to calculate the percentage of the cells that are empty. 1, which is 10%. Now we have 4 cells, 25% each, 25, 50, 75, 100. Did we do it correctly? Yes. And we need to calculate the percent of the cells that have birds in them. One cell, 25%. We have here 5 cells. We have to split 100 into 5, and each piece or each slice of pizza would be 20%. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Yes, we double check, and we know now that 20% and 20%, and here 20 and 20 and 20, 60 and 40%. And we have to figure out the question: what percent of the cells have birds in them? 20, 40, 60. That's right. Oh, birdies. We can even mark you 60% of birds are inside.